Hey guys, I want to talk to you today about this neck shaper by Creatrix Solutions. This was a lifesaver for me. Since September, I have traveled across the country 6 times. And imagine driving for 8 to 15 hours a day, being on your cell phone, reading our book, things like that all really mess with our neck. And we're doing it all day with nothing to reverse it. This is a neck shaper. Basically what you're gonna do is it helps with kind of like a spinal exercise, strengthens and realigns your back for a better posture. What you do is you take it and you put on your forehead and you start up here and you push down, give it a little resistance. As you go forward, you release the resistance and you push back. And you do this. I do it about 5 to 10 times and it becomes very difficult. So this has become a great tool I use to reverse any of the time I spend all day either reading or mostly on my cell phone and electronics.